Hello friends, welcome to day 3rd of English learning. Today we will learn about letter C. Let's learn letter C. The letter C sound like k, like C in cat. There is big C and small c. C for cat. Cat say meow. Can you meow like a cat? C for car. Car say vroom vroom. C for cake. Cake is yummy. C for cow. Cow say C for cloud. Cloud is soft and white. Can you find the object using letter C? Yes, that's there. Very good. Great job! You have learned the letter C. Come back tomorrow to learn the letter D. You can like the video and subscribe the channel to keep learning.